There's some amazing things that we're going to show you today.
Overall game plan from start to finish, especially someone just starting out. And I had a plethora of information, a lot to do, so it was awesome. Thank you guys.
I started about 8 months ago. I went from learning explosives, blowing stuff up, long-range shooting, and I watched the movie and I thought, I might be able to do that. And then I connected with these guys, and 8 months later I've gotten 4 contracts. I guess the number one tip that I can give is calling purchasing and contract officers. And once you have a relationship going, you'll get more and more contracts. Just get on the phone, call contracting officers, and make relationships. That's the best advice I can give you just 8 months in. And listen to these guys, they know everything.
So if you're a veteran-owned business today and you're coming to this event, you're about to have your business change as you know it. Today we're going to go over the fundamentals of success to be a veteran-owned contractor.
Contractor checklist that I received today and try to get some direction, which is why I came here today, to figure out my next step. The group of people I met today, the networking capabilities, the support that you would receive, that's the number one thing I learned, that this is the place to be. Absolutely.
Anna Rose is going to deliver for you today some of the most memorable things you've ever seen.
So how do you actually find the opportunities that make sense for you?
Cameron is going to teach you some strategies.
And I'm a very strategic person, so that is, deep in my heart. What I'm going to go over today is my government contracting playbook.
If you figure these out and use these strategies, what's going to happen to your business, Cameron?
This presentation is for those who want to take their government contracting to the next level.
You're going to have so many contracts. You're going to need friends to share your contracts with.
First thing I probably need to do is contact one of the acquisition managers, the guys that's going to help me as far as to get started, so I can do an evaluation of the company and where I should go from there.
And Johnny Lynch.
Nassau, ask me, hey, what do I do on this? And have that ability to truly understand, know, and speak to these contracting officers on a one-on-one.
And Marianne Swager.
The value of this event today is that veterans are going to get to have some real good firsthand information from experts. One of the big things is the payoffs are huge, and if you're not going for the huge, stay with the local stuff, because this is a big market and there's a lot to be had here.
And myself, Dan Driscoll. You didn't watch the training. That just cost you. What do you mean? If you ask them to carry the contract on before it expires, 9 times out of 10, they'll let you carry it on. You would pay more money just to see one of us.
Number one thing I learned today was how much networking and how much relationships you really need to make in order to get going. It's not put in a bid and then make the relationship and kind of, that's what I originally thought it was, that put in the bid and then say, hey, our name's on that bid. Rather, it's more of talking to them way before even the solicitation is even out there, before when, you can talk to them to set up the bid and structure the bid. I didn't even know that was one of the things possible. So
There's a quote that I listen to every day. I say, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. So I want you guys all to get ready to learn something today. And the first step to learning something is writing down why you're here. So take a minute and write down why you're here and what you want to take away from this event. I want to get your mind in a set place to learn something. So if you get a contracting officer on the phone, you can tell that story. That's about how you've done some work and how you're getting better every day and you're able to handle more work. That was amazing. Who learned some stuff here today so far? Yeah?